Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to discuss about the stock picks for Monday, which is 8th of March. So first of all we will start the analysis section, and after that we will get back to yesterday's analysis. So guys, if you definitely want to improve your trading skill, you should definitely watch the video till then, because the second part is most important for improving your trading skill, which is the analysis of yesterday's picks. Okay, so let's go to the video. Hello guys, so these are the picks that we are giving for tomorrow. So first pick is Godrej CP. So Godrej CP is from today's watch list. So the price consolidated within our range. So we are again considering the same levels. I have just adjusted the support zone, I think. So the levels that we are considering is 696. Above 696 you can go for a breakout, and below 689 you can go for a breakdown. Price have actually respected these two levels today itself, so you can confirmly go for a breakout and a breakdown above or below this level. So that is the case of Godrej CP. I am not explaining the whole chart because I have explained it in last video. So the next pick is Tata Motors. So as you can see in Tata Motors, it is in a slight downtrend, but majorly the trend is an uptrend. Okay, so the major trend is an uptrend. Okay, right here you can see the price is right at the support zone, so you can hope for an impulsive wave above this level. So these two levels are the important levels that you can consider, and these levels are 335. Above 335 you can go for a breakout, and below 319 you can go for a breakdown. Okay, so these two levels are the important level that you can consider for Tata Motors. So the third pick is HDFC Bank. So as you can see in HDFC Bank, we can see a kind of a falling wedge which are filled with gaps right now. So there is a horizontal support zone right here. The price have been taking support over this zone for past so many times. So you can expect for a breakdown below this level, or you can expect for a breakout above this level, which is this level. So above that level you can go for a breakout, because there is a falling wedge and the result will be a breakout above this level most probably. So above 1543 is a level for your breakout, and below 1522 you can go for a breakdown. Okay, so that is the case of HDFC Bank. So the fourth pick is LIC Housing Finance. So as you can see in LIC Housing Finance, it is an uptrend. Okay, the price is right now in an uptrend. So this white line right here is the uptrend line. So as you can see, the price have took support over this trend line right here. In this portion you can see the price is right now consolidating over that area, a slight consolidation, and you can also see that this dotted line is the major trend line, which is a downtrend, and it have been broken in the past weeks. So you can hope for a rally above this level as well. So but right now you have to consider the fact that the price is making a head and shoulder right here. This is a shoulder, this is a head, and another shoulder. So this is the neckline. So you should surely make sure that the if the price go below this level, you don't have any buy option. Okay, so you have to watch closely what is the signals that the candles are showing you. So these two are the levels that you can consider. You can surely go for a breakdown below 422, which again I am repeating because of the head and shoulder neckline, and above 445 we can go for a breakout, because this is an uptrend line and it is a support zone. The price might make an impulsive move above this level. Okay, so this is another immediate resistance zone, which is 455. So these are the levels that you can consider in LIC Housing Finance. So the fifth pick is Cadila Healthcare. So in Cadila Healthcare you can see that the price is making a parallel channel pattern, which is in an uptrend. Okay, so this channel is formed right at a support zone. Okay, so if you want to see the whole picture, you can see that this is a support zone actually. This is a major support zone. We have been drawn using these two higher highs in the beginning stage. So the price is actually kind of break down the support zone, but it is consolidating within that range. So you can go for a breakout above the level we have been considered. We have considered this level for the past few picks. For the past few days we have been considering the same level in Cadla, which is 448. Above 448 you can go for a breakout, and below 439 you can go for a breakdown. So that is the case of Cadla Healthcare. And the last pick is Container Corp. So you can see that in Container Corp there is an uptrend. Okay, so here is a proper uptrend in Container Corp. Right here, this is the uptrend line which have been respected for multiple times, for numerous times. So the price have been making a double bottom right at the support zone right now. So you can offer a breakout above this level. Actually this is kind of the neckline, but we are not considering that level for now because there might be there is a possibly a fluctuation in that zone. So I'm considering 628 as the resistance zone, and above that we can consider 622. Okay, so the support zone which you can go for a breakdown if it breaks below the support zone, which is 587. So these three levels are the levels we can consider in Container Core. So these are the 6 picks that we are considering for tomorrow, for Monday. These are the picks that we have given for today. So first pick was Aro Pharma. So Aro Bindo Pharma. So as you can see, we got a proper breakout from our level, which is right here. So we got this breakdown, as you can see, which was a proper tradable breakdown, and after that price reached till this zone, which is a next level of support zone, I guess. So you could have made a profit of almost 1.28%, which is 11 points. Okay, so that was a great trade. So next pick was Cipla, and in Cipla you can see that the stock started here, the price started here, and in the evening session we got a breakdown till this level, and again the price break inside our level, and again we got a breakdown below that level till this previous low. So that was also a proper I think proper tradable opportunity. Yes, we got almost 0.5% of returns, which is a 4-point breakout. Okay, 2 times. So that was again good. So the next pick was Glenmark. So today also we don't have any tradable opportunity in Glenmark because we have considered only buy level above this level, and we haven't considered any breakdown level. But still you can see that it broke down our support zone, okay, and took support over this support zone. Okay, but don't consider that because we haven't given any breakout level, breakdown level. So that was the case of Glenmark. So next pick was Godrej CP. So in Godrej CP, as you can see, price was actually properly respecting our levels. As you can see, took support over here and bounce back from that zone to the resistance zone. Okay, so we got a rally till the support, from the support zone to the resistance zone. So if you were able to take that rally, enter in that trade, you could have made a profit of 1% till this resistance zone. Okay, and if you have this thing, I hope you can see there is a small double top right here. So if you shorted right here, you could have get another trade as well in the same pick till the support zone again. So again we got an almost 1% tradable opportunity. So that was the case of Godrej CP, which performed really well. So the second last pick was Apollo Hospital. So as you can see, in Apollo Hospital we got a gap down opening which break down our level, and it got till this zone. Okay, so I hope you couldn't enter right here because it was a very aggressive move, but still the price hit our resistance zone and again fall. Okay, you can see a wick right here. So I'm just counting the picks. So we got 4% of a shorting opportunity in Apollo Tires. So, and the last pick was Tata Motors. So as you can see in Tata Motors, the price was in a gap down opening. Okay, so after that it got rejected when it reached our resistance zone. Okay, so there was a tradable shorting opportunity right here, and it rejected and fall back downward till this zone. Okay, till this zone. So if you entered at this breakdown, I mean this rejection candle, if you entered right here, you could have at least you could have made a profit of 1%. I mean till our support zone. Okay, we haven't considered any other level. And if you entered, sorry, there is another level that we have drawn as well, though this is the level, okay, which is 333. So if you entered in that breakdown, you can again take another trade. Okay, so that goes almost more than 1%. Actually it goes for till 3%, more than 3%. But even if you try to enter this trade, and I mean you could have made a profit of more than 1% again. Okay, so there were 2 successful trades in the Tata Motors. Okay, so this was the case of the picks that we have given yesterday. All the picks performed really well. So guys, if you like this channel and if you like this video, you should definitely subscribe to our channel, and please click the like button and give us the honest review about this channel in the comment section. Okay, so we are providing a one-day training camp in the coming Sunday in March. So if you want to attend this program, you can contact us using the numbers in the description. Okay, so if you want to join our community and improve your trading skill and know more about our community, you can definitely contact us through the numbers in the description. You can directly enter our community using the links in the description. Okay, so see you guys on Monday.